snack time again. This time I saw something online yesterday that whet my appetite. It was made with tiger bread, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a similar thing, more or less the same, but with a cob, which is that is a cob, believe it or not, and I'm going to use Camembert Cheese. I love this stuff. When you buy it in these boxes, it's really good. You can just take the wrapper off, put it back in the box and cook it in the box, but we'll do that another day. Put that over there. So what I'm going to do is take this wrapper off, but before I do that, I want to make an hole to insert it into this cob. So I'm going to leave the wrapper on, just sit it on the top, and with a knife cut round it. Let's hopefully, obviously if you've got a sharp knife, this one isn't too good. Didn't realise just there. Bread can be. All you got to do really is just got to make that circle there, and then put it on. Just dig out the centre, out there. Then you want to just dig it out about the same depth of the cheese. You can also go just a little bit deeper if you want to. Let's have a look. That's about it. It's just a little bit deeper. If you want to, you can just add a little bit of bread back in. Right, take the cheese out of its wrapper, and then, as you can see, there's a little sticker on there as well. I really like to get the name in. It's in its own little wrapper, and I'm not going to, like the recipe I saw, they actually cut that off. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave that on, because what I'm going to do is, here I've got big garlic. Here I'm going to just make some little slits into the top. I'll show you in a minute if you can see it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little slits, and I'm going to now just put some slivers of this garlic. Not too thick, otherwise they're not going to cook very easily. But you can put as many in as you like, it depends how much you like the garlic. So there's one stick, slither into one slot, stick one into each slot so it goes down into the cheese. Give it that lovely fresh garlic paste. Right, so for today I'm not going to mess around doing more than 5. There you go. And here, I'm not, with the bread, you can mess around with herbs and making up olive oil with herbs and everything to put in, but I'm not going to do that, because I'm going to put the flavour into the cheese. So there we've got the olives. Now going to, let's see how many we've got here. 4, and make 4 more holes. And this you can do with whatever herb you like. Cut down a little bit. And this is rosemary, fresh rosemary. It's a lot nicer, and you can get it from supermarkets and everywhere, fresh. studded it with herbs. What we're going to do is with this cob, just move that over there a little bit with this cob, just going to get a serrated knife and cut it that way, sort of more or less nearly to the bottom. We're going to turn it around and we're going to do the same. So what we're doing is we're actually making square cuts, and with this sort of bread, crispy crust, you make a mess, which I've got to clean up afterwards. Okay, now we'll take this and just insert it into that hole that we made. Make sure that it sort of goes down. Like I said, I left the rind or skin, whatever you want to call it, on the cheese. So we'll just give that a nick and fold it later, but I prefer to do it that way. It keeps everything in place. So if we look at it there, it's now in the bread, and if we look there, and if you can see, we've got different sections of bread. The only thing now is on top of the cheese, just a little bit of dribble of olive oil, and then this is where you can make up olive oil and add your herbs and everything into the olive oil, but I don't want to do that. I want it in the cheese. You can just part these sections of bread, dribble olive oil into them. This is going to make it nice and flavoursome and yummy. Drop in olive oil in there. Like I said, if you want a cup flavoured olive oil, just stick your herbs in. You can even use dry herbs in those. Okay, so there you go with the oil. Now I'm going to just use a tin that's been covered in tin foil, just so it collects anything like that that comes out. That's on the tin now. I'm going to put it in a oven. I'll put it between 200 and 300 degrees. Again, it depends on your particular oven. I myself personally think they'll work differently, but you know your own oven. You might use gas. Stick it in there, probably take 20-25 minutes. Keep your eye on it so you don't burn it, and in that time that cheese is going to melt. This is going to crisp up a little bit, and we'll come back and see what it actually looks like. So see you in a moment. Okay, as you can see, we're back and the cob is out of the oven. Side's gone that little bit more crispy, the middle's melted down a bit, and you can see by the herbs that the heat's got to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of these off, because they're pretty stalky. I'm sorry, but this is the one-handed bit. And now what we have to do is we just have to, because I've done it this way, just lift this back a little bit. It's no big problem. So you can see the cheese in the centre is nicely melted now. Okay, you can put that on a dish or a board, whatever you want. You and your friends sit around and just tuck in and just pull a little piece of bread off, dip into the melted cheese. Just look at that, and the smell and aroma is just delicious.